This is the Sondiko Refillable Butane Kitchen Torch. Today I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to operate, answer some common questions, and maybe even prepare one of my favorite dishes for you. So this is the grip here. It's very comfy. It's very easy to operate this torch. There's a big button on the back. You push it in, the flame comes out of the front. That flame is adjustable, and there is a safety feature on top. It's a lock, and that's going to prevent any accidental ignition. Today I'm going to prepare for you one of my favorite kind of quick and simple dishes, and that is the seared salmon. So you start off with some sushi grade salmon, right over some white rice I made here, and this is just always a home run and a big hit for my family. While I sear this, I want to answer some common questions. The first one being, does the torch come pre-filled with butane? It does not. So you will have to get a small canister of butane, and it's very easy to do that. It took me only less than a couple minutes to refill the torch, and I've had maybe over 100 uses with it now without having to refill it. So you definitely get a good bang for your buck on the butane. Here you can see I'm crisping up this salmon, and I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. I'm going to switch to the other fillet here, and I'm not joking when I say this torch really heats things up in the kitchen. I'm going to finish the second piece off. This took me less than a couple minutes, guys, to do both of these, and I do mine a little bit thicker maybe than what you'd find in the restaurant, but I just really, this is one of my favorite dishes, and that's it. Voila, it's done. Very easy to use. The continuous flame, you just hold the button down and the flame keeps coming. I highly recommend this for any aspiring chefs, culinary fans, and hope you enjoyed the review.